Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I'll show you guys how to install newest Super Mario Bros on your Wii and run it with USBLoader or WiiFlow. So the first thing you want to do is connect your USB or hard drive to your computer. So I've got two programs right here. I've got the newest Super Mario Bros Wii ISO and Wii Backup Manager. So both of these can be found on the internet. I can't give you guys a link to newest Super Mario Bros Wii, but maybe someone will leave it in the comment section. So if you need the Wii Backup Manager program, the link will be in the description. So once you've downloaded Backup Manager and you have your ISO, the first thing you want to do is go onto Backup Manager, right click and then do extract to and then choose the file folder. From there you can just go into the Backup Manager folder and run the 64-bit version. Right guys, so once you've got Wii Backup Manager running, what you want to do from here is just make sure your device is connected and make sure it is in the FAT32 format, otherwise it will probably not read your games. The next thing you want to do is copy your newest Super Mario Bros Wii ISO onto your local C disk. You want to make a new folder called WBFS. This is where you want to store all of your Wii ISOs before you transfer them onto your hard drive. So once that's copied across, you can just open up Backup Manager again, go to drive 1, select the C drive. This is going to be your computer. Then you want to go to drive 2, select the whatever drive your USB or hard drive is. So head over back to drive 1. Now here you want to copy across the newest Super Mario Bros Wii ISO. So just tick it in the box, head over to transfer and do drive 2. You're then going to wait for this to complete. It's only 800 megabytes, so you should probably wait about 5 minutes. Once it's copied across, that's it for the PC. You can always just go onto your hard drive or USB and just check that the WBFS game is on there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the PC. Now you just need to connect your hard drive or USB to your Wii. Make sure you connect it in the right slot above the fan. So once you're on your Wii, you just want to go ahead and open the Homebrew channel launcher. From here you can load USBLoaderGX or WiiFlow, it's entirely up to you. I prefer USBLoaderGX. So once you're on the USBLoaderGX home screen, you can see all of your ISO games which are on your USB or hard drive. So here is newest Super Mario Bros Wii, so I'm just going to go ahead and press A to start it. So now the game is running, you can just go ahead and go through all the setup options. Right guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. So if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.